Hey YouTube, in this video we head to some local yard sales in the Central Florida area to continue our yard sale challenge series. We took $50 and so far have turned it into $132.09 after taxes and fees. We had 13 sales like a Happy Meal ornament, a Darth Vader Build-A-Bear, and a Little Mermaid snow globe that you may have seen from one of our other YouTube videos.
So as we go through this video of the Central Florida yard sales, we'll be sure to keep you guys updated.
That's great. That was a good name
Set of
choice.
3 for $4. These are cute. Look, they have like a...
Those are nice.
They're very cute.
Nice one too. 4 port.
Yeah, I mean, I could test it out.
You never know.
How's everybody today?
Hey, good morning.
Good.
Good morning.
How you doing
How
today,
are
sir?
you? Very good. Everything's priced to sell. You see something you want, speak up.
Okay.
All right, we will. Thank you so
I'm a
much.
good listener. Is it really?
Oh, that's cool.
Really good without breaking.
No.
Oh, cool. Yeah, take and get that.
This, I don't know how much. Doesn't have. But
It's a good murder weapon. I have a hard time identifying that blade in forensics.
What did he say?
This is
I don't know.
I do Bauer.
That was good.
Charlie. Check it out.
We don't have a space for that.
Could be worth something.
Yeah, but we don't have space and then shipping.
Don't worry
it.
about the
Ooh.
space. I'll keep it at the house. And then when he dies, it'll be worth $10,000. We're only going to give him $5 for it. It says it does say make an offer on it.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
You never know.
Margaritaville, Orlando.
I don't know. It's small. Yeah, get it.
People love Margaritaville.
They're
Change.
not assless.
Yeah, I'll just change shorts right now.
Oh, you don't like them? For $1?
Yeah.
They're hot. They're hot shorts too.
Yeah.
I mean, they're short. You know. They'll show off more of my leg.
No doubt about
I
that.
found a bag of Flea for $12. It goes for $38.
Okay.
It's a travel bag, so like this goes on your luggage and like
Okay.
connects to your logo.
Okay. All right.
Cash.
I have it. I'm
We're,
the.
JB.
we're still debating the
Oh,
LL Bean bag over here.
okay.
So my dad's can't bring him on 15.
Yeah.
Try.
Yeah, because I mean, it's,
It's a travel duffel.
Yeah, but it
He said it's listed for 20. He can do it for 15.
perfect.
all right. Yeah, we'll take it for 15.
15.
Yeah.
I do remember that bag. Cool. Because both of us took duffel bags, and I said never again. You gotta
Yeah,
You gotta carry it.
You roll it. You gotta carry it,
Yeah.
and I was like not gonna do that.
Yeah, after all of that, you feel it. And
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your finds.
Thank
I
you.
hope this travels to really cool places with you.
I know
We
it's
hope
going to
so,
travel
too.
through the mail.
It's
I can guarantee you that. Traveling through the mail for sure. There's a handle on the top.
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
yeah, there's
Yeah,
a
it
handle
rolls.
on the top.
And it
yeah.
rolls.
And then there's a
Oh, it even has a pull. Oh,
it
perfect.
has that too.
Perfect. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Yes, you too. Enjoy your Sunday.
Thank you.
Morning.
Hello. Good morning. Good. Good.
I have some free items too. I've got that shelf I don't need
Oh, nice.
on wheels. That's free. And then, you know, just a couple little things, cards and that.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
know, those feel free. A lot of the clothes here are $1, $2, and $3.
All
This
right.
cover up is $5 because it's brand new. Isn't that cute though?
That's really
That was
pretty.
really nice.
And then a lot of some of my pricing, you know, Like these are like 2 for 1. The older ones, you know, that your dad. Somebody might go, wow, those are from the olden days. You know? So yeah, cool. So they're more wintry up here, all the way down to summery and bathing suit tops.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, they're cool. 50 cents.
Yeah. Yeah.
Those are cool. I like this one.
Yeah, I think we can get a couple of these for 50 cents.
And I think people would probably collect those.
Yeah.
As far as collecting years ago, and he still is. Right?
Yeah.
The box in here with more Snoopy things in it, but the Czech cereal. It's
Okay.
crazy. Hi.
My mom thought dressing.
Huh?
My mom thought dressing.
Okay, it's right here. All these dresses.
Yeah.
All the clothes are
Frito
$1,
Disney.
$2, and $3.
Collaboration.
Oh, wow.
Fluffy.
Yeah, that's
That's good.
Grumpy. That's a good one.
It's burrito too.
It's a real Disney.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's a lot
cute.
of cool stuff. This is adorable.
Here, let me hold your stuff so you don't have to break
Thank
it.
you so much.
Let me have your
Oh.
well, unless you want to put stuff. Well, you're good.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Okay, we'll just put it over here.
All right, thank you so much, man.
Hey.
There.
How old that is.
Wow.
I'm taking $20 off.
This is free.
The guys alone are
Yeah.
Look at this.
How much was the purchase?
at 17.
So about.
Yeah, that's a neat.
Water over there and lighter.
Vintage coasters. Okay, I have that one.
Over here.
I saw coasters for Santa.
Yeah, beautiful. Jewelry. My sister that passed away, she had this hanging out under her tree. Skate, ice skate. Cactus. She had those hanging near her sale, so that's why they didn't help me. This is.
Hey, look at these.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah, they're very old. He is. So that's why he's $3. And the Florida's too.
Oh, these are free.
That's where I got this one. Yeah.
So if you find
Yeah, he
something-
found that one in there.
Yeah.
I know,
That's
isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And these are free too because it's kind of broken up. I don't know, put it back together or what have you.
Anything else you were looking at? $20, 20.50. But I'll bring it down to 20. 20? Alright.
$20. Yeah, but these are cool, huh? That's
Yeah.
from Philadelphia, of course. Well, my mother, all her family, you know, my family. So they're older, Yosemite Park, and she was an avid golfer. So there's a golfing one.
Nice.
And she has blocks.
No, a lot of cool stuff.
Oh, well,
Do you-
thanks. I'm glad you.
Yeah, do you do this like all the time? I saw
Yes.
like we saw that you were doing this all week. Well,
I know. Well, sure. This is because it's July 4th. Now.
Uh-huh.
Normally I'll do Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays.
Okay.
Okay, and it's always on Garage Sale Finder.
Yeah, that's how we found
Okay,
it.
it's Wildwood. That's for a pipe. For back in the day. Isn't that cool? An alligator, if you don't break it. Oh,
We would buy it if we broke it.
Oh, right. That's, I don't know. Aw, here, let's put those in a little bag. There we go.
Thank you.
Sure. Are there other sales out there today?
No, not really.
Not really.
I think everyone's just took the day off today.
Yeah, except for me. But that's all right because I have nothing else to do. Because over in the village isn't it fun?
Yeah.
That's a good pin. You guys think you have good eyes.
That's all her.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a camera, so we
Are we videoing now?
yeah, we can. Yeah, we put things on YouTube with all the cool
So I'm
different
gonna
things.
be on it now or no?
If you would like to, if you don't want to, we can. Oh wait, we edited it out. Yeah.
What, because it's my sale or something?
No, just because all the
Sales,
yeah.
Goodwill. It's just really like whatever we can find that's unique.
Yeah, people like seeing.
Some people would love to see that. That would be great. Good,
Yeah.
because I have a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah.
That's
It's
really
very cool,
interesting.
very organized
People are
as
gonna
well.
wonder, where am I? I guess. Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, we
And all
hit
these
it.
beanie babies, too.
Yeah, we hit a flea markets, all that good stuff.
The Webster on.
You don't need wood stuff, do you? I go
No.
half off on these today.
Thanks for watching this week's yard sale challenge. We had a great time with Brittany's parents, laughing with people, and finding some really rare and unique items that would have cost us way more if we had gone to a thrift store or something like that. So to wrap up, we've spent a total of $60 between these two garage sales, bring our new budget down to $70.84 until we make some more sales. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on eBay and whatnot, and follow us on other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the next one.